Ever since I was little, I've always struggled with my skin, be it acne or dryness. So about October last year, I decided to do my research into organic skincare, and I was able to formulate skincare products that have worked for me and helped me maintain my glowy skin. So I decided to make it into a product and share with the public. Do feel free to contact me. I would love it if you patronize me and show your support.